How to add a custom camera widget on your home screen. And whenever that widget is on your home screen, as you select it, it'll take you to a specific camera mode set up instantly. This is for Samsung phones with One UI 6.0 and mostly available on mid-range to flagship Samsung phones. And let's get started. When you're ready to add this widget, go ahead and long press a blank area on your home screen and you'll see the widgets option right there. As you enter here into this section here, you'll probably see this one here. And if you don't see it here, you'll want to go down the list and look for camera. Tapping here one time will show you this right here, and it's a custom camera. This is different from the camera app itself. As you tap on it once, you'll press add, and it's going to show up like this here, giving you the customization options for that specific widget. And let's just say you accidentally hit save and now you have it like this here and you want to make changes to it. So as you tap away from it, you can long press it. And when you see the little toggles here, you can adjust the size of this widget, making it to this big or to that small. Okay, you can also move it around and place it to where you want it to be. Next, to change the settings, long press it. You'll see these options here and you'll see settings right there. Tapping on settings here will now take you to the settings of this custom camera widget here. So you can change the name of it. So if you have multiple camera widgets that have specific different modes, you can save it to what you want it as, okay? And for me, I'm gonna call this one here subscribe, because if this was helpful, please do so. And now we got the starting mode, which is the most important part of this specific type of widget. So you can choose whether or not when you tap on this camera widget, it's going to access the rear camera or the front camera. Then you can have it set to open up from either of these different starting modes, whether you want it to be as a video, as a photo, as night mode here, any one of these here. And maybe I just want it to be entered into the pro video mode. Okay, so I'll come out of here now. And then we got save pictures and videos to only in the DCIM folder here. This is you can't be selected. Okay, when you tap on that, you can change where it's going to be saved. And then for the widget background, notice how it's going to show you the most recent photo as the cover of the widget here. When you tap here, it's going to take you into your album itself, and then you can choose to use the most recent or select an image from your album and have it set as your widget cover. Once you're done with all these changes, press save here, and now you'll have this right here, okay? And whenever you tap on it here, it's going to open up, and you'll notice how it's taken me to the pro video recording mode of the camera. And you can create multiple of these here on your home screen, and you are good to go and become an awesome photographer anywhere, anytime. Like and sub.